Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? So angle bisectors. Okay, so let's take a look at this part first, okay? So what does the angle bisector means? Okay, so boys and girls, so there's a line that actually cut angle A into the equal part 1 and 2. Understood, everybody? Okay, so we say AD is angle bisector. Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so we know this is a theorem. So if you want to, this is something you need to write it down. Okay, so the angle bisector theorem is if you inside a triangle, okay, and you have a line that cut this angle into equal part. So AB to BD equals AC to CD. So you can also rewrite it as because AB to BD equals AC to CD. Also could be replaced AB to AC equals BD to CD. Okay, how you get this one? You just switch them. Correct, everybody? So now, how to remember that? It just this line to this line equals this line to this line. Okay, so if I have a triangle like that, Peter, if I have a triangle like that, okay, so this is A, B, C, but I have a line is BD bisect angle B and make D here. So how do we do it? BC to CD equals AB to AD, correct? Okay, so I'm not going to use the regular similar triangle way to prove that, but I'm going to using the trigonometry ways to do that. Okay, so let's everybody take a look at the method too. So because ABD and ADC are share the same vertex, right? So, and it is inside the triangle ABC, right? So triangle ABD, the area, to triangle ADC, the area, is actually just a BD to CD. Do you understand why, everybody? Because they share the what? They share the same height, correct? So triangle ABD equals BD times height divided by 2, and triangle ACD equals CD times height divided by 2. So divided by 2 are gone, H are gone. So angle, triangle ABD to ACD is just a BD over CD. Correct, everybody? This one, do you understand?
Yours.
Peter, June, Austin? Okay, so if you understood this one, we're going to move on. So because that, so we know for the trigonometry, so we know that any triangle's area could be done as 这个角的 sine 乘以夹这个角的两条线的乘积，对不对？ So if you don't know this this area, Austin 应该知道对吧？这个 AP 里面有的，对不对？别的小朋友如果
哪个？
就三角形的面积等于这个 sine 的这个角乘以这个角夹这个角的这两
这个是 pre 里面的内容吧？
对对，我就说 AP 里面有嘛，对不对？那就
我没有 take
我
pre，
们这里有些小朋友不知道嘛，那我们把这
我没有
个三角
take 过
形面积
AP
抄下来。
AP 的
OK
paper。
OK，so 三角形的面积我们抄下来，如果不知道，等于 half 乘以 AB times AD times sine angle 1，right？那三角形 ACD 呢，是不是等于1/2乘以什么？AD 乘以 AC 乘以 sine 2，correct, Peter? Understand? So this is a formula. You need to write it down. OK? 如果不知道的 June，然后鹏鹏还有 Peter，please write it down. 鹏鹏应该知道，我教过你，但你可能忘了。OK? Are you copying down, everybody? OK? So now we know this one equals BD to CD from the earlier result, right? And side 1 and side 2 is the same because 1 and 2 equals to each other. And half, they're gone, right? And AD and AD are gone. So that's why AB to AC exactly equals BD to CD. Get it? So this is just a proof, okay? Help you to understand. Like all you need to do, actually, this one theorem, you can directly use it. So AB to BD equals AC to CD. And also AB to AC equals BD to DC. OK， so 这个可以直接用，所以请你们抄下来，好不好？当然前提是角一和角二要相等，就是 AD bisect angle LA。Okay, so let's take a look there into, okay? If it's AD squared equals AB times AC minus BD times DC. If you forget 这个东西，我在这里再帮你们画一遍，因为在你们的这个上面应该有一个三角形自己画出来的，对不对？有没有画？如果你们在记笔记的时候没有把这个图画出来，那你们记了也白记，对吧？OK，要把这个图画出来啊。OK，好，这样子，那这条就是 D。OK，所以 AD 的平方等于 AB 乘以 AC 减去 BD 乘以 DC。OK，please copy down。我们不花时间去证明它了，因为可以直接用的，所有的 theorem 都可以直接用。Do you understand？OK，如果你想要看这个证明呢，我到时候会把这个证明发给你们，你可以看一下。But you don't necessarily need to prove it. You can just use it. Understood, everybody? 抄下来了吗 ？OK，鹏鹏还有 Peter、Austin、June，你们在抄这两个公式的时候，必须要把这个图带上啊！啊，如果没有这个图，你这个东西就不 make sense，对不对？啊，角一和角二是相等的。Okay, we're gonna move on to the theorem 3. Okay, so the theorem 3 is the external angle bisector theorem. Okay, in ABC, if AD bisect the exterior angle CAE of the ABC, then OK， 在这里啊，小朋友们，ABC 不是这个东西啊，ABC 是这个东西，看到了吗，June？OK，是个小的三角形。那这个角 A 是不是有个外角啊？对不对？好，我 AD 是把外角一分为二，然后把 BC 延长，然后组成一个新的三角形 ABD。Understand, Peter? Okay, so the AD is actually bisect the exterior angle of angle A and I longer the BC and connected AD at D. Do you understand? Everybody understand? Are you clear? 就明白吗？如果不懂，你可以问我，没关系啊。懂的 ？Okay, so Peng Peng, do you understand?
啊，我没听清，
啊，你说什么，Austin？
没听清。
没听清啊，我再说一遍啊，就说我们现在说的这个 theorem 3，就是这个外角平分线定理，说的是这个三角形，这个 ABC 是这边的 ABC，那这个 ABC 的角 A 是不是有个外角啊？就这个 A 如果等于30度，这个外角是不是等于150度？那我就做一条 AD，把150度平分，这里75，这里75，OK，然后我把 BC 延长，然后和 AD 交在这个地点上，所以我组成了一个新的三角形 ABD。Get it? So this is how the creation of this one, okay? So now we have this one. AB to BD equals AC to CD. Okay, everybody, please, you have to copy this with the graph. 没有 graph 抄下来也是白抄。Okay, and also AB to AC equals BD to CD. No, sorry, AC. Yeah. Oh, sorry, I do it wrong. AB to AC equals BD to CD. Okay, please copy them. Okay, did you finish copying, everybody? OK，把它抄完了啊，抄完了以后，我们看下面题目了。OK，so let's take a look at this one. A median of a triangle is a segment from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. OK，我们前面说的是这条线把这个角平分了，现在是这条线把对边平分了。We call this median. Understand? So this is totally different. Okay, June? So when you are in, but sometimes these two lines could be the same. When you are in the isosceles triangle, the bisector and median is actually the same one. Correct? And also the height. 对不对？但是在别的情况下 median 和 bisector is not the same line. Okay, everybody? So Austin, bisector cut the angle into equal part, but median cut the opposite side into the equal part. Understood? Sorry, this one 这个是鹏鹏爸爸 scan 的，非常不好 ，scan 不好。我们来看一下这个第 theorem 5 ，OK？The median of a triangle 这个题目在滑铁卢的10、11里面经常出现 ，AMC 10里面也经常出现，OK？但是 AMC 10里面现在出现的频率少起来了，但在滑铁卢的这个题目里面经常会出现。Okay, the median of triangle meet at a point that is 2/3 of the distance from any vertices to the midpoint of the opposite side, which AG equals 2/3 of AD. BG equals 2/3 of BE. CG equals 2/3 of CF. OK，这个你可以直接用。
这个点的位置是不是那个
median 对，是
圆？
中点。
不是我说那个圆中间那个他们那个焦点那个位置是不是圆的外包圆还是内包圆？
是内包圆。
那外包圆是哪？
外包圆是这个。
这个
这
圆心
不是圆形，这不是圆形，这不是圆形。
内包圆的圆心。
但是它跟那个，我跟你讲，我们现在说的是什么？它是这个，他说这个 median of the triangle，所以说 AB 这两条是相等的，这两条是相等的，这两条是相等。Okay, everybody, this is very important. OK， 好，Austin，如果你要证明它是一个内包圆的圆形，你必须要证明这三条线是相等的。Understand? You need to prove that these three lines are the same. Then this is the center of the circle. 爸爸，你走啦？啊，你过会回来的嘛？我送去就去那个。
那它相等。
对啊，我们现在还没有证明到这个，我们现在先看这个证明 ，OK？
What does the start say? I can't see it.
啊，what star？
Like the start for the theorem 5, it says, does it say 4G or AG?
This one AG 等于2/3的 AD，BG 等于2/3的 BE，GC 等于2/3的 FC。那为什么 ？OK， so you can just having the line here. You know what？ 我们今天全部都证明来不及了，我们先看题目，好不好？先看题目。
Wait.
You just copy the theorem first. It's because the question you can directly use it. You don't have to prove it. Okay, so if you copy down, we're moving forward to the theorem 6. 3 median divides the triangle ABC into 6 small triangles of all of them actually equals to each other. OK， 但是前提是它每一条都是对角的中线啊，就是说，也就是说 every single line here, these one are equals to each other, this one equals to each other, and this one equals to each other. 每个三角形都一样，分别是1/6 of this. Did you follow copy down? 你肯定在看别的东西了啊。
那个中间有一个那个 area 那个三角形 CGF 的那个，它
C
不是一条线，它不是一条线吗？
哪个地方
第四个，
？CGF，
对啊，它怎么会有面积呢？
那他写错了呀。CGE，他打错。So AFG and AGE，他写错了。BGF 也 BGF， 应该是 BGD， 他写错了 BGD and CGD and CGE， 对他这写错了。OK， 你知道就是这6个三角形全都相等就可以。所以这个 print 有很多错误的，这个题目也有很多错误的。OK， 好，最后看一个啊，the median length formula，这些 formula 都非常重要，终于要记下来啊，好不好？So BD 的平方加上 BD 的平方等于 AB 的平方减去 AD 的平方加上 BC 的平方减去 BD 的平方。Okay, basically it's just inside a triangle, the 2 times of the medians square equals this one minus this one and plus this one minus this one. OK， 抄好了吗？Okay, so if you copy everything down, so we're going to move forward, okay? So let's take a look at the theorem 8 and theorem 9. So ABC is a right triangle, okay? So this is very important. ABC is a right triangle, which angle C is 90 degrees. So Peng, Austin, Peter, you need to immediately 画一个在你的纸上面, okay? D is any point on BC. So D doesn't matter where it is, okay? And E is any point on AC. Okay, so you have this one. 如果你看到有个直角三角形，然后在里面有画出来这样的线的时候，你就知道你可以用 theorem 8了。AD 的平方加上 BE 的平方等于 AB 的平方加上 DE 的平方。Okay, again, ABC is a right triangle, and D and E are midpoint. OK， 这个一定要记下来哦。当你看到题目的时候，一个直角三角形，它说有2个点是分别是 midpoint 的时候，怎么样？4倍的 AD 平方加上 BE 的平方 等于5倍的 AB 的平方。OK。Everybody, did you copy that? Okay. Theorem 10. If two medians of the triangle are perpendicular to each other, the following relationship is true. 这个题目很多很多很多 AMC test 里面我都看到过很多很多次。OK， 那有些小朋友说，哎，为什么他很快就做出来了？因为他把公式都背下来了，知道吧？有很多小朋友公式没背下来，那你就要去证明，要弄好长时间，没有必要的，知道吧？只要 AD 等于 CD，AE 等于 BE， 所以说 CE and BD are median to each other and they perpendicular to each other, so you can do AB squared plus AC squared equals 5 times of the BC squared. Okay, directly 用 just 用 it. Okay, just 用 it. Okay, so theorem 11. If two medium of a triangle are perpendicular to each other, so that means you don't have to do another graph, okay? 刚才那个 graph 还可以用。The area of a triangle is 2/3 of the product of the two medium. 什么意思？ EC 乘以 BD. 2 over 3. Where's 3 over 2? 2 over 3 times this one. The area of the triangle equals triangle ABC. Get it? The area of the triangle is 2/3 of the product of the two medians. Okay, 2 over 3 times EC times BD equals triangle ABC. Okay, when you finished, that's altogether like 11 different theorems. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. How are we going to use it? Okay, so the first one in ABC, AC equals 5, BC equals 7, and CD bisects ACB. If AD equals 4, find AB equals what? Okay, very easy. Okay, 这道题目非常简单，马上做出来啊！直接套用公式一，公式一。这个应该是我们从学这个 geometry 以来公式背的最多的一次啊，但是你会发觉其实有公式是非常好的，有公式 means you can just use it， 对不对？那这个很简单，对吧？因为这个 bisect ACB， 所以这两个角是一样的，所以我知道5比4等于7比 x。Right, so DB equals 28 over 5. 好，有些小朋友说，哎，等于 B。No, the question asks you what is AB. So it's 28 over 5 plus 4. Correct? Okay, so the answer is A. So it's 48 over 5. Okay, be careful. A lot of student 这个题目非常简单，但是还是会有人做错，就是因为题目没有看清楚，要的是 AB，不是 BD。OK，好，我们来看一下 example two。In the triangle ABC 应该有图的吧？哎呀，啊，算了，就给你们看到吧。那其实这个题目它应该是没有图的啊，我们小朋友最好可以把这个图自己画出来。OK，triangle ABC，角 B 等于90度。对不对？角 B 等于90度 ，so we know this is a 90 degrees. Okay, so B, and AB equals 1, and BC equals 2. Okay, so can you tell me what is AC, everybody? AC equals what? Immediately,
5.
square root 5, right? So AD bisect BAC. Okay, so we know they bisect, so this is a 45 degrees. Okay, so I know it's equals and equals. So equals D. So find the length of DC.
但是那个不是角 BAC 哦，角
BAC.
B 是上边那个角。
哦，BAC. Oh, sorry. 谢谢朱，我没看清楚，sorry. Yeah, BAC. So it should be like this one, right? Thank you, June. Sorry. Okay, so everybody, so this is D. So we want to know DC equals what? 怎么做啊？很简单，放个 x 就好了嘛，对不对？DC 等于 x 的话，BD 等于多少？Peter, the whole thing is 2. This is x, this is what? 2 minus x, correct? Okay, so now we have what? 1 to 2 minus x equals square root 5 over x, correct? So you times them. So x equals 2 square root 5 minus square root 5x. So 1 plus square root 5x equals 2 square root 5. Correct? Am I right? So x equals 2 square root 5 over 1 plus square root 5. 好，那这个怎么办？ So I have told you the square root is not allowed into the square root is the denominator, right? So
So
square
times
root
1 minus
is 1
square root.
times square root 5 minus 1. 好，鹏鹏，为什么我没有用 1 minus square root 5? Because 1 minus square root 5 is going to be negative. I try to make everything positive, right? Because this one you just switch, it doesn't matter. So this one I times square root 5 minus 1. So the bottom equals 5 minus 1. The top is 10 minus 2 square root 5. So this is 4, and both of them divided by 2. So 5 minus square root of 5 over 2. So the answer is B. Okay, so pretty easy, right? So we're just using the thing, but everybody, thank you, June, for correct me. So let's take a look at number 3. Okay, number 3, please do it yourself. Okay, I have, 哎呀，答案是不是露出来？没有人看到。 Okay, so let's see. Okay, suppose ACD and DCB have the same measurement. What does it mean? ACD and DCB, they're the same measurement. That means CD is a bisector of triangle, angle ACB, right? The length of AC is 12. The length of BC is 5. The length of AB is 13. So basically, you're using the same way, okay? So you want to find out the length of CD. So this one is the target we want to have, right? But if you want to calculate this one, you need to find out which one first. Take a look at all the theorems you copy down. 看一看。你是不是要先求出来 AD 是多少？ Right? You
Yeah.
want to find out AD. And you need to know what is BD, right? And remember, we have CD squared equals AC times BC minus AD times DB. Then you get CD. Okay, so that is the theorem. What? Let me check the number. Theorem. The number is theorem number 7. Okay, so if you know how to do this one, so we're gonna move on. Do you understand, everybody? So it's just a formula, okay?
Mhm.
Yeah, so let's move on to the example number 4. So in ABC, BC is the angle bisector of angle B. AB equals 5, AC equals 3, and BC equals 7, and find the length of CD. 这道题目不做了啊，就跟前面一样的，对吧？跟前面那个还是做一下吧 ，OK 啊，做一下。就跟前面那个公式要用一下，OK，回来反过来用一下。哎，我的那个到哪儿去了？在这儿。So AB to AC equals BD to BC, correct? And this is a formula 1. And the second formula, we just use it. BC squared equals AB times BD minus AC times CD. So just using these formulas to do that, okay? 朋友们不要再玩了，好不好？你的眼睛都有反光的，好不好？是不是要我当着大家的面打你屁股？
嗯，
就这么管不住自己吗？对不对？那整个班级的小朋友都觉得鹏鹏好厉害的，然后发觉他其实是个小坏蛋，要不要这样？啊？
I'm good.
嗯哼，我跟你讲，你再这样子，不用想，哎呦，这个妹妹怎么这样？ Austin, good job. Very good. Very strong calculating method, skills. Okay.
我算出来那个答案不在里面，然后我看到分母他们俩一样，我就选了 C。
刚想表扬你，不过对的，反正因为应该就是稍微在 calculation 上面有点。哎呀，不要叫，不要叫，波弟，big Okay, so AB equals 5. AC equals 3 equals BD, we don't know, and BC we know is 7. Oh, sorry, I calculated wrong. This is CD. I said, why it's BC? Sorry, it's CD. Bagel, no. No, Bagel, no. Don't bark. I'm sorry. And the CD, because we know CD is, why is that BC? Yeah, it's BC. BC squared is 7 squared equals 5 times BD minus 3 times CD. So because of that, we have two equations with two variables, right? We can calculate this out. Okay, so let's just doing next one. Okay, so in the triangle ABC, side AB equals 6, side AC equals 3, and side BC equals 4. What is the length of the angle bisector to side AB? Okay, 在这道题目里面, so there's a very important technology you have to have is you have to know how to draw a picture, right? Okay, so I just think it should be something like that. So 3 and 4. It doesn't necessarily to be super right, but we try to be something relevant. Okay, so this is 6, this is 3, this is 4, so C, AC, and AB. I'm sorry. Bagel, that's it. Sorry. What is the length of the angle bisect to the side B? So it's obviously we want to try to find out this one. Correct, everybody? So we can say this one is D. 是不是跟前面那个题目一模一样的 ？OK， 我们不说了啊，还是用的什么 AC to AD equals CB to BD, right? So that is the first one. And the second one, CD squared equals AC times CB minus AD times BD, 对吧？还是用的这个公式，我们不做了啊。So let's take a look at the next one. So this is AMC 12 questions, okay? So in triangle ABC, side AC and perpendicular bisector of BC meet in plane D, and BD bisect ABC. If AD equals 9 and DC equals 7, what is the area of triangle ABD? And for this question, I'm going to show you the graph first, okay? 它有一个图会方便你们看很多。So let's take a look at question number 6. I'm going to just put the number, help you to put it there, okay? So we have the triangle ABC, side AC, and the perpendicular bisect BC. Okay. Side AC. Bagel! Oh. Bagel! Bagel! Back! I'm sorry, I have to. Okay, so like that. Sorry about that. So we have side AC and the perpendicular bisect of BC. So we have a BC and we have this one. So DM is perpendicular BC on M, okay? And BD bisect ABC. So these two angles are equals to each other. Okay, and if AD equals 9 and DC equals 7, what is the area of the triangle ABD? Okay, everybody take a look. So let's take a look at this one, okay? By angle bisect theorem, AB to BC equals 927. Do you understand? Because AB to AD equals BC to CD. And we know AD is 9 and CD equals 7. So that's why AB to BC equals 927. Do you understand this? I moved these two now. Okay, so we just make AB equals 9x and BC equals 7x. Can we do that? Okay, so this one's 9x, this is 7x. So let measurement of ABD, so ABD equals angle CBD, of course, because the question telling you BD is a bisector of angle B. And we just make them as theta. Let M be the midpoint of BC, since M is on the perpendicular of the bisector of BC. So we have BD equals DC equals 7. Do you understand this part? DM is the bisector of this one. And also perpendicular on BC. 只能说明 BCD 是一个 isosceles triangles. Understand this part? Okay, June? 角平分线同时是什么？是直角垂直的，只能说明 BD 和 CD 是相等的。This one, I'm going to stop a little bit. I want you to make sure you understand this part. Austin, do you understand? Why BD equals CD? This part. Do you want me to explain again? Pen, do you understand? Peter, do you understand?
能不能再说一遍？
对，就是在任何一个等腰三角形当中，它的角平分线和它的高是同样的一条线。只有角等腰三角形的时候，它的角平分线和它的高是同一条线。Understand？ 那因为这个，它告诉你，题目告诉你它是一个角平分线，同时它垂直于 BC， 是不是这句话就告诉你，我这条 DM 同时兼顾了角平分线和高这个作用，明白吗？所以说从另外一个角度就必须说 BCD 它是一个等腰三角形，同时大家知道 M 还平分了 BC， 因为只有在等腰三角形当中，这条线既是对边的 median， 又是角平分线，又是高。Okay, so this is very important. 就是当你看到，如果你在做几何的题目的时候，你看到它是一个等腰三角形的时候，这个就是三线合一。Three lines are the same line, which is bisector, median, and height. Understand, Drew? So 3 lines, they're the same line. So that is very important. So that's why, because this is 7 and this is 7 as well. So now, since cosine theta equals what? Because this is what? This is the right triangle, right? So cosine theta equals what? Equals 7x over 2. 为什么是 7 over 2啊？因为我们知道这个在等腰三角形当中，它是三线合一的，是不是？我刚才跟你说了，所以 M 把 BC 平分了，所以说 BM equals 7x over 2, and CM also equals 7x over 2. Understood, everybody? So we know that cosine theta equals 7x over 2 because adjacent divided by the hypotenuse. So cosine theta equals x over 2. Okay, so applying the law of the cosine to the triangle ABD. So ABD here, because if this one cosine equals cosine theta equals cosine x over 2,那这个 theta 是不是也是 cosine theta equals x over 2? Because these two lines, these two angles are equals to each other. Correct? So applying the law of the cosine, so yield 9 squared, so this one. Okay, 这个是什么？这个是对边，对不对？ This one is what? Is opposite squared equals the hypotenuse plus the adjacent minus 2 times hypotenuse times adjacent times cosine. Okay, so that's the law of the cosine. 我们Austin 学过了，对不对 ？June 应该也学过了。June 没有学过，应该10年级学了呀，10年级数学有的呀，还是11年级 ？Maybe I forgot. Okay, so I'm going to give you the law of the cosine later in the Google Classroom. Okay, so you know where it is what is because 我觉得你们应该 law of the sine 和 law of the cosine 都学过了呀，没学吗
1年级，
11年级的吗？
啊，我10年级，
我上10年级的数学，然后没有。
我
没有
10年级有啊，
，OK，那大概是11年级，因为 June 也上10年级的数学，对吗？还没
我10年级有啊，
你10年级有的对吧？我也觉得有。
没有呢。看我 pre IB
不同的校区有可能那个它教材不一样。
哦，对对对，OK，yeah，嗯哼，可能 IB 学的深一点，是不是？
有可能。
嗯哼。OK，好，我们下面来看。So apply Heron's formula，因为我们知道了这条边、这条边、这条边，对不对？那 Heron's formula 你们知道了，就是把3条边加起来，然后除以2，然后各自减去它。还有没有人记得 Heron's formula 是什么？凯伦公式是什么？都忘了。我上次教过你们。So the perimeter divided by 2 equals s. So for instance, you have a triangle 2, 3, 4. So the s equals 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by 2. And you have 4.5. So you're going to type 4.5 times 4.5 minus 2 times 4.5 minus 4 times 4.5 minus 3 and square root. So that is the Heron formula.
Wait, did they give you the area?
Yeah, that is the area. Okay, get it? So that is the thing, OK？这个海伦公式我就不那个了啊，因为其实上次真的都教过的，OK？So now let's take a look at，所以我们看到这个 MC 12的题目就比较复杂了啊，但是这个题目也是在 MC 12的很后面的那些了，就是也是难的，OK？In triangle ABC, AB equals 6 and AC equals 3, and point D is on the segment BC, so BD to DC equals 2 to 3, 2 to 1. 那怎么出来的？就是因为这两个是6 to 3，所以这里肯定是2 to 1，明白吗？ So that is the thing, Peter, understand? If this one is 9 to 3, so this is 9, this is 3, so this one must be 3x to 1x. Correct? So they are having a ratio to each other, okay? So if AD equals 2, what is the shortest possible length of segment BC? 那还是用那个公式，对不对？啊，AD 的平方等于这6乘以3减去2x乘以 x， 对不对？那4等于18减去2x 平，对不对？那你就算出来。
他
Correct？
为什么要问 shortest？
因为 x 有平方啊。
但是 x 它不能是负数呀，它 一个是正的，一个负的。
所以 basically 我不懂他为什么要加个 shortest，因为它只能这个。So 2x squared
Okay.
equals 14, so x squared equals square root 7.
Equals
So yeah, 只能有一个答案 x 等于 square root 7 and bc equals 3 square root 7. So the answer is C. 这里没有任何作用啊，因为它没有 shortest possible，对吧？
Yeah, it's
哦，
just like
对对对。
can't make it shorter.
Yeah, there's only one possible answer because the AD is determined. If AD is not determined, then there may be different answers. Okay. So let's take a look at example 8. 哎呀，答案给你们看到。算了，看到了。So ABC, D is the midpoint of BC. So that means BD equals CD, right? So DE is the angle bisect of ADB. 这图画的不太好，这看起来不像 bisect， correct? AB.
Yeah.
这看起来这个图画的不太好。DF is the angle bisector of ADC， 这个还可以，对吧？这个看起来还行。这个应该再过来一点，我觉得应该是这样子，你们说呢？是不是这样子比较好，对吧 ？OK，anyway， 好，So AEF 你就把这个画出来，对吧？这两个相等，这两个相等 ，OK。AEF find angle AEF if ABC equals 54。好，这种题目我们加拿大的小朋友基本上是从来不做的啊，基本上是没有做过这种类型的题目，因为我们在学 angle 的时候学的非常简单，就基本
国内
上就是
不是很多的？
你做过的啊？
我说国内是不是很多？
对对对，加拿大的小朋友基本上不做这种题目。OK， 好，我们来看看这道题目。他说，因为 DE 是 bisector is angle bisector of ADB。OK， by the sector of, so we have AE to EB equals AD to BD. Correct？ 在这个三角形里面，是不是 AE to EB 等于 AD to BD， 对不对？这个没有问题吧？这个大家都懂，对不对？好了，又因为这个呢是这样把它们分开的，所以我们有什么 AF to FC equals AD to CD. Correct, everybody? 这一条比上这条等于这条比上这条，对不对？好了，因为我们知道 BD 和 CD 是一样的，对不对 ？BD 和 CD 是一样的。好了，我把 BD 直接换成 CD， 那你看 AD 和 CD，AD 和 CD， 也就是说 AE to EB 等于 AF to F，correct？ 对不对？因为它们等于同样的东西嘛。好，我现在把这个东西都更的干净一点啊，大家就看出来了 ，AE to EB 等于 AF to FC， 那说明这两条线怎么样？平行，对不对？是不是这两条平行？因为它图故意画的像屎一样的，你知道吗？因为你要它是画的很好，你一看就看出来这两条是平行，所以 ABD 等于54度 ，ABC 也等于54度。So the answer is A. Understood, Peter? 对不对？是不是？所以我一开始就发觉这个图画的不好，我一开始就觉得这个图画的不好，对不对？但是怎么办？我有一个方法，就是你自己把它画好，对不对？应该你看 bisect 应该差不多这样嘛？你看你这样子一看，你差不多就有点感觉了嘛？是不是应该是这样子？因为这两个角一样。好 ，still understand? Okay, so we're gonna do something like that. Okay, so last question. Okay. in ABC, BAB equals 7, BC equals 8, AC equals 9, and AL bisect 这两个角是一样。好了 bisect 我知道了，对吧？AB 比上 BL 等于 AC 比上 LC，对不对？好了，CM bisect LC，好，这个 CM 这两个角也是一样。那我有什么？AC 比上 AM 等于 BC 比上，这是 BL。BC 比上 BM，correct？OK，然后我知道 AM 比上 BM 等于 K 乘以 CL 比上 BL，那也就是说这两个和这两个 CL 比上 BL 是不是直接可以用这个东西来代替啊？因为我这里面是不是也有 BM、CAM？那 how to do it? I change these two. So AM 比上 BM 等于 AC 比上 BC. Okay, I switch this one as well because I have CL and BL. So I want to change this one. So CL 比上 BL equals AC 比上 AB. Okay, so these two, they equals, this one can be easily changed by what? AB can be easily changed to KCL 比上 BL 等于 AC 比上 BC， 对不对？好了，那我这两个只要把这里乘以一个 K， 除以一个 K， 是不是这两个又相等了？Correct, everybody? So based on, because all the AB and AC and AB and BC, we know exactly what is their data. 所以 CL 比上 BL 等于什么？等于 AC 比上 AB 嘛，就是等于9比8，对不对？Get it, Austin？ 对不对？所以说，哎，这个东西 AC 比上 BC 呢，那 AC 比上 BC 我们也知道等于7比8，所以这个 K 是不是就直接就出来？Okay, just a simple algebra. Okay, so everybody, I know this part is pretty hard, so that's why I'm going to send the whole entire this chapter to you. Okay, so in this chapter, you're going to see all the 11 theorems there. Understood? 所有11个上面都有啊，鹏鹏眼睛不要再变来变去了，又在看别的东西。OK, so Peter，然后每一道例题的这个答案都会在上面，好不好？因为如果没有那个例题的话，我觉得你们直接做作业有一点难。OK? Yeah, so I'm going to send the whole chapter. So June，如果你打印不出来的话，你可不可以在这个电脑上，在你的手机上看一下？OK, so that's good，好吗？然后我会把作业，因为今天这个东西是有11个theorem，然后你还要去用它，我觉得一节课肯定是讲不完的，所以说我就直接把这个讲义发给大家，然后大家看一下，如果有什么问题的话，我们可以到时候再准备答疑，好不好？然后下面的课的话，我们就休息一段时间。因为 June 也在 travel 嘛，对吧？哎，June 你这样子不上课，你们老师不会打你屁股吗？OK，
Wait, where's June?
June 在台湾。
放多少些？放几周假？
我们准备放2周吧。朱你什么时候回来
我21号，
？OK，对啊，对啊，差不多。
Wait, June's going to Taiwan and then where?
好像还要去日本，对不对？
Yeah.
对啊，对啊，对啊，朱也很开心。OK，刚
Thought
好
you
我
were gonna ditch Wala.
没有没有，因为我要去一下英国，反正就是刚好，然后我也想休息一下。It's really exhausted. OK, Peter. So for these 2 weeks，我希望每个小朋友把自己前面学过的东西都好好的再看一下，好不好？因为我看这些什么这个海伦公式忘了，对吧？然后韦达定理估计也不太记得了，对吧？还有一些什么 factoring 的东西啊，都要复习一下。尤其是今天上的这个东西，我觉得可能也是的确需要一个星期到1个半星期左右去消化一下。OK，Austin，我预祝你整个 AP 全都拿5分啊！如果你全部拿5分，老师请你吃饭，好不好？
真的吗？
啊，但是如果你睡觉的那门没有拿到5分，你请我们全班同学吃饭。
我那门肯定满分的呀，我那门 那门 FRQ 满分的话，选择题错一半都是5分，因为是 AP 这个分数线特低，
对啊，对啊，OK，
那个微积分
门
满分
是什么？那门是什么课啊？
60分以上就是5分。
那门是什么课啊？
计算机我是教那个
你是计算机什么呀？
A，
哦，OK，哦，
那个微积分108分，只要60分以上就能5分，我用脚考都能5分。
好，那下一次 Austin 你用脚考啊，你给我看你身残志坚，然后拿着脚用的笔，然后在那里考，好不好？OK，so everybody，我们希望 Austin 能够拿到全5分，然后老师请我们全班同
但
学，
principal
好不好？然后只有你回来以后我们一起吃，好不好？好啊，OK，that's it for today's class. We're gonna see each other probably in 2 weeks later. Okay, everybody, bye bye.